Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and today is December 12th, and we are going to be doing the Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent Calendar unboxing for today. Are you guys ready? I am. I was very excited yesterday when we got that lovely pattern. We are going to have so many wonderful projects. When we get done with this, I'm going to figure out how to work them all into the rotation because I've got a lot of cross-stitch projects. Okay, so let's see what we got here. These are probably going to collapse. Oh yeah, collapsing. And I did not pre-open this, so let me open it real quick. Gotta remember to do that because it sure makes a difference. Oh, this one's fighting me. I don't even know. There we go. There we go. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. So what do we have? We have a picture of presents. A lot of presents in this one. A lot of fun presents. Okay, it says, rats. Rats can learn to play hide and seek and squeak with joy when they win. Who would have thought that? Never ever would I have thought that. Rats can play hide and seek. Isn't that interesting? I was never a person that had little critters like that. We never had rats or hamsters or gerbils or anything like that growing up. So I have zero experience with those kinds of animals. Animals, mammals, critters. We had cats and dogs, and I don't think, did we even have a bird? We had a bird when I was an adult, but I don't think we ever had birds even when we were kids. So I don't have any experience with those kind of little critters. I would love to hear about your guys' experience if any of you have any firsthand experience with little critters like that, and you know anything about the rats being able to learn different things like that. I would imagine they can be trained. A lot of them can. I don't know. Let me know. I want to hear from you about that. Okay, let's see what we have in our present box. Where is it? This way. Present box. Okay. Ooh. Very nice. If I can get it out. It's stuck right in there. Oh. It is a pair of scissors. And these are the iconic storks. Whoops. Its little nose fell off. Little stork scissors. You can see them better on this. The little stork scissors. When you are doing embroidery or cross stitch, I am never going to find that. It's a little clear plastic cover that goes on the end. But that's all right. I've got other things that I use for point protectors on these. When you're doing cross stitch or embroidery, it's extremely important to have a pair of really sharp snips so that you can, because you're cutting threads all the time. So that is beautiful. I love the multicolor and I love the little stork design. Absolutely love this. Love this. I had grabbed the other day, I had grabbed a pair of, in fact, I have these adorable little snips. Aren't those cute? And you can clip them on your thing, and then it's got the little cover, and they come right off. Come the little cover. They're very, very handy. And I love to have things like this real handy and available. Just one more little thing that we used to sell in the shop that I still have hanging around here. So anywho, I am very pleased with these. I like sharp scissors. Now let's see if we can get this back in here with this catastrophe. How did this go? Right like that, I think. Nope, that's going to fight back. There, got it. Got it. Okay, oh, there's our cabin. Getting to see our cabin and the horses. Very nice. All right. That is pretty much it for today. Let me try some more of my tea. I really like this tea. This is a good brand. Vadim India tea. I really, really like it. Okay. I am going to sign off. It's a short, today is short and sweet. And we will do another box for tomorrow. See you soon. Bye-bye.